Hey there, welcome to appmelodies.com. Today, get ready to dive into the world of creating your very own music player app right in Android Studio. A sleek interface listing all your favorite tunes from your device's playlist, ready to play at your command. But wait, there's more. We're adding a mesmerizing visualizer and all the playback controls you could dream of: shuffle, repeat, skip forward, skip back, play, pause, and a seamlessly smooth seat bar for total control. Let's transform your Android device into the ultimate music oasis. Let's get started. Step 1. Getting started with your music player app in Android Studio using Kotlin. Alrighty, let's get this party started. Fire up Android Studio and start a fresh project. Just go for the empty activity option and give your project a cool name. Oh, and don't forget to go with Kotlin for your coding fun. Ready to groove? Let's do this! Step 2. Elevating our app's look by changing the theme in themes.xml. Here's where the magic happens. Start by grabbing that awesome theme from the blog post, just like you saw in the video. Now, open up Android Studio and follow along. Double-click your way into the Values folder, then double-click on the Themes file. Now, in themes.xml, simply replace your current theme with the one you copied. Voila! Your app just got a style upgrade. Step 3. Setting up dependencies for music player app. Begin by opening your project's build.gradle file. Scroll down to the bottom of the file, where the dependencies block resides. Under the dependencies block, add the following lines to include the necessary libraries as shown in video. Once added, don't forget to click on Sync at the top to ensure your project synchronizes with the internet. This step is crucial for establishing connectivity and downloading the required dependencies. It's time for Step 4, defining custom colors. First, head over to your project's colors.xml file. You can find it inside the Values folder. Think of it as a palette where you can choose the colors for your app. Now, we're going to add some color definitions, just like painting on a canvas. Make sure to add the colors exactly as shown in the video. Alright, let's ensure your music player app runs smoothly with Step 5, configuring permissions. Open up your Android manifest.xml file. Now, we're going to add some necessary permissions. Make sure to add these permissions exactly as shown. Let's keep the momentum going with Step 6, defining services and receivers. Stay in your Android manifest.xml file, and within the application tag, we're going to define some services and receivers. Just copy the code exactly as shown in the blog or video and paste it inside the application tag. Once you've pasted the code, you're all set. Let's add some personal flair to your music player app with Step 7, customizing app icons and graphics. First, follow the link provided in the blog post to download a zip file containing all the cool stuff for your app. It's like receiving a special package just for you. Once downloaded, unzip the file to reveal its contents. Inside, you'll find a folder named Drawable. Open it up and select and copy all the files inside. Now, head back to Android Studio and find the Drawable folder in your project. Right-click on it and select Paste. It's like decorating your app with all the cool graphics you've just downloaded. These customized drawables will give your music player app a unique and personalized look, making it stand out from the crowd. Let's take your music player app to the next level with Step 8, enhancing user interface with custom layouts. Go back to the folder you downloaded earlier and open it up again. This time, you'll find a folder named Layout. Open it and select all the files inside. Now, head back to Android Studio and locate the Layout folder in your project. Right-click on it and choose Paste. It's like giving your app a makeover with all these custom layouts. These special layout files will not only make your music player app look great but also improve the user experience. With tailored interfaces, your users can navigate through your app effortlessly. Let's dive into Step 9, adding Kotlin functionality to your music player app. Head over to the folder where you extracted your downloaded files and locate the Kotlin files folder. Inside, you'll find various Kotlin files like activities, fragments, and utility classes. Select all these Kotlin files and copy them. Now, navigate to your project in Android Studio and find the main activity folder. Right-click on it and select Paste. It's like adding the brains to your app. Next, you'll need to replace the package names in these Kotlin files with your actual project package name. You can easily find your project package name in the same folder as the main activity. Replace all occurrences of the package name as demonstrated in the video. Repeat this process for all the Kotlin files in the downloaded folder. These Kotlin files contain all the logic and functionality needed to make your music player app work seamlessly within your project package structure. Keep up the great work! You're one step closer to creating an amazing music player experience for your users. Alright, let's dive into Step 10, customizing the visualizer view for your music player app. Open up your activity_main.xml file in Android Studio. Scroll down or use the line number feature to locate line 238 where the custom visualizer view is defined. Here comes the important part. Replace the package name ComX Music Player with your project's actual package name. After that, make sure to add .custom visualizer view after the package name, just like in the video. Let's tackle step 11, updating intent filter package names for your music player app. Open your Android manifest.xml file in Android Studio. Look for the intent filter section where actions are defined. Typically, you'll find them within a receiver or service declaration. Now, replace the package name with your actual project package name for each of these intent filter actions. Make sure to do this for all of them. This simple step ensures that the intent filter actions are correctly associated with the package name of your music player app. This association enables seamless communication between different components of your app, ensuring everything works together harmoniously. Step 12. Running your music player app in Android Studio. Once your device is connected, open Android Studio. Now, it's time to hit the Run button. You'll usually find it as a green triangle in the toolbar. Sit tight while Android Studio builds and installs your app on your device. Once it's installed, you'll see the app icon either on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on the icon to open your music player app and start exploring all its cool features. Congratulations! You've successfully built and launched your very own music player app. Enjoy the tunes and the journey. For more awesome content and tips, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. Happy listening!